Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. If you're new to the channel, we are a company that sells all your favorite stamp companies. We sell lots of card making supplies. We have lots of companies that I know you adore, so come check out the shop. The link is in the description box. I'm going to share what came in, what's new. So I did restock these two items here. We've got the Hero Arts Fancy Dies, and this is that really cute scene with the window here and the hills and the trees. That one is called Rolling Hills Window Die. So you can find that under the Hero Arts section in the shop. And then this, I had to restock this. This is so beautiful. This is a rubber stamp. It's a large background stamp. I love that sky and the trees. It's just gorgeous. So we have new items from Darcie's and Paperie ink. So I'm going to start with the Darcie's. So they've got like a Valentine's Day release. So we've got Lost Without Moo. Isn't that cute? So we got a cute little cow and a pig. These are the coordinating tin pins. They're like flat back buttons that you can glue onto your colored image. And they give you the coloring sample right here on the packaging to match the tin pins. So we've got some cute sentiments. I'd be utterly lost without Moo. Hey, I love Moo. Hugs and kisses, and missing you pig time. Here's an adorable puppy set. This is called Positively Amazing. Love the shaggy little dog. Charlie's hair can kind of get like that. We've got coordinating tin pins. We've got the sentiments. I love you for reals, or fur reals. I love that. Happy Heart Day. You potty animal. We've got Valentine. You are positively amazing, and I woof you. And then a cute sloth one. This one's called Hang Out. So look at the cute little sloth hanging from the branch. We've got coordinating tin pins for his face. The sentiments read Valentine, let's hang out. I like you more than naps. I love you so much. And then we've got don't leave me hanging. And then this little cute set. So we got these cute little critters in the teacups. We've got a koala bear and his friend. It could be a little squirrel or a fox. The sentiments read, you'll always be my bestie, sister, mom, friend, Valentine, and you are quality. And then the coordinating tin pins, super cute. And then for Paperie ink, we've got the new release. This is brand new. We've got Sweet Christmas, so cute. Cute little gingerbread men. There's hats that you can put on them. The little sentiments have a little icons. We've got Baked with Love and Care. Have a very sweet Christmas. Sugar and spice makes Christmas nice. Wishing you a sweet holiday season. And this one is like the companion to this one. We've got Sweet Holiday. So we've got some more little gingerbread men, but they're in like little Santa character. We've got a little cat and a dog. And then there's a Christmas cookie with sprinkles. And then we've got a little glass of milk, a present and a cookie that they could be holding. The sentiments read, from our family to yours, wishing you the sweetest holiday. We've got some cute little penguins here. This one's called Cuban the Penguin, and he's in all different kinds of poses. Very cute. I love this one with his head tilted and the one with the big Santa Claus hat on. So cute. And then we've got Ski On. So we've got these cute little critters skiing. We've got a moose, a beaver, a fox, a raccoon, and a penguin. There's a couple of houses and trees, and the sentiments: bring on the snow, stay cool, and ski on. So fun release. I always love the Paperie ink stamps. They're really, really cute. So check out all the other designs that I have in the section. So if you go to stamps and then click on Paperie ink, you'll see the whole collection. The free shipping for US orders over $45 is still going on. And I'll have the link to the shop in the description box for you. Thanks for shopping, guys, and stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy stamps, if you love stamps. So I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.